We're going to be reviewing squats performed on the balance pad. You're going to use the chair for support. When you step on, initially step on with your unaffected side, and then your affected side. You will then squat down, and then stand back up. You're going to want to complete a few of these exercises before you attempt to try and take your hand off the chair. Use the chair for support as needed. While stepping off, you will step off with your affected side and then unaffected side. Completion of the balance exercises on the wobble pad are typically completed with about 30 seconds. You might need to work up to 30 seconds because you'll need upper extremity support or stepping off to recover your balance. The strengthening exercises, such as the lunges or the squats, will typically be completed in reps of 10 with 3 sets.